friends, and welcome to day 4 of introductions for Mama Elephant's October 2025 release. Today we are introducing Abudance of Toys and its coordinating creative cuts. And we're also introducing the Swiss dot cover creative cuts. Now let's take a look at the stamped images first. This set was designed by Ada Zamora and features a bunch of critters excited for Christmas morning. The Copic color numbers I use are in the description below. And that finishes the coloring for today. Now let me show you the Swiss dot cover. Here you can see that it's a cover that creates these little holes that you can use to create a polka dot effect. You can create a bunch of different looks by combining different color variations. I wanted to create a focal point but to not take away from the polka dot background. Therefore, I'm covering my background panel with this piece of vellum. I cut my vellum into this arch using the B2B arches. I used the smaller arches included in the B2B arches to create this tag. And I'm adding this little bow that is included in the all tied up set that I'm introducing tomorrow. Now it's time to create our scene and add the images we colored. Now, after adding my first layer of images, I decided that I needed some piece of ground for my critters to sit on, so I slipped in this piece of plaid paper. And now we can add our final images and not have it look like they're floating on the card. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release is available from the 15th of October, and I'll see you tomorrow for the last day of introductions. Bye!